So I'm trying to sell a 2011 blue Nissan LEAF that I first got as my very first donor. And whenever you try and sell something, something breaks. So I just snagged this from the parts car. It's the basically the power window control module. The power window for the driver side was done, no longer working. So I'm gonna see if this one will bolt right up. Hopefully it will, because, you know, Murphy's Law, whenever you're trying to sell something, somebody's coming to look at it shortly. Selling this guy. This is my very first Nissan LEAF that I bought for a donor project, but it's just in such good shape. I can't bring myself to part it out. Okay, this guy doesn't work anymore. This one is glossy. This one is matte. So I'm just gonna switch out the actual circuit board part. Before I go through the trouble of removing everything, let's just make sure it works. Woohoo! Nice. Okay. Troubleshot successfully. This guy is just bad. This just has these clips right here, and those pop out and you're able to remove everything. And oh, should have gotten that side first. Here it goes. Voila. So if your power window controls go out, so you've determined that it's not a fuse, it's more than likely this little gizmo. It's just the control module for the switches, and that's really easy to fix. If you can get one used, who knows how long it'll last, but you know, you can get them pretty cheap on Amazon, I hear, eBay, things like that. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. See you next time.